How to create layer in Figma. So first open up Figma, then just go to your design. So here, in order for you to add layers like this one, you can see your options here at the bottom. So just select any of this. Let's say you want to add a text layer, you can just click on this text here and then just click anywhere here. Then just type it in. Let's just change the size since it's too little here. Oh wait. Okay. Let's change the size. Okay, it's too okay. And as you can see, now we have a text layer. You can just drag it anywhere just to change the position here. So if you want to add a new layer again, like a shape, just click on this one. Let's say I'm going to add a rectangle layer. So you can see now we have a layer here. Okay, so just choose any one of the things here. So just so you can create a new layer. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.